A very good morning to all. Today we are moving on to the next topic, and today let's discuss about pollution. So what is pollution? Pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate environment. So how pollution occurs? Pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate the environment. So human activities that have made the water, land, air unclean. So as a result of it, what happens to the environment? The environment becomes polluted. So the waste from home, from factories, from farms that are released into the land, water and air, that gets polluted. So what is the meaning of pollutants? The harmful substances that pollutes the environment, we call it as pollutants. Pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate the environment. So let's see the different types of pollution, that is air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. So starting with the first one, that is air pollution. Introduction or release of harmful substances into the air, that is called air pollution. When harmful substances are released into the air gets polluted. So that is how air pollution occurs. The harmful gases and smoke from the factories, from the motor vehicles which are released into the air, and it contaminates the air and the air gets polluted. All these contains fine particles of ash, coal and toxic chemicals, and these chemical substances contaminate the air. The next is air pollutants. So what are air pollutants? Substances that pollute air. We call it as air pollutants. Fuels such as kerosene, diesel, petrol, wood, all these emit smoke when they are burnt. So when they are burnt, they emit smoke. And the smoke, it contains high amount of carbon dioxide gas, and therefore it pollutes the air. So the substances that pollute air, we call it as air pollutants. Now let's see the effects of air pollution on living things. So air pollution, it contaminates the air. The harmful substances which are released from the motor vehicles or from the factories, that contaminates the air, and the air gets polluted and it greatly affects all living things. That is, it harms all kinds of plants as well as animals and human beings. So the first thing is damage lungs. So when we breathe the polluted air, it can damage our lungs. The next is cause respiratory diseases. So by breathing the polluted air, it can cause respiratory diseases such as asthma. The next is affect heart and kidneys when exposed for longer time. So when a person is exposed to polluted air for longer time, it can affect their heart as well as kidney. So that is about the effect of air pollution on living beings. So these are the effects of air pollution on living things. So in this class, we discussed about pollution, and then we discussed about air pollution and its effects. So I hope the class was clear to you. We'll meet in the next class and we'll discuss a new topic. Till then, thank you.